dear friends, how are you? Welcome back to our videos about math. For this cycle, we're going to keep practicing in something that we already started, counting by tens up to 100. So for that, we're going to be using our tens that we made with the beans or with the Play-Doh. It's going to be very easy, and we're going to use different strategies and activities to keep you working and practicing until you know how to count very good by tens up to 100. All right, so we're going to be using this, and it's very important that you can make the difference between ones, okay? For example, I have 3 ones here, and these are 3 tens. You see the difference? We have 3 groups of tens, and I have only 3 ones in my hand. We're going to be doing exercises for that. Besides that we're going to be using this a lot, we are going to be creating a very special way or a path where you can be practicing counting. And we're going to do it in 2 different sessions. First, we're going to do it from 10 to 50 and then from 60 to 100. How? We're going to be using our finger, our magic finger, and we're going to be doing the numbers. I'm going to make, for instance, 20. So we can then make a little path on the floor, and every time that you pass by, you're going to be jumping and counting. All right? So for this week, we're going to be doing something like this, using paint and using some cardboard. All right? So remember, all this week, we're going to be practicing. Another thing that we can be practicing the tens and ones is using our tens frame. All right? We had it before, and now the way that we're going to be using it is also with beans. This time I'm going to be using my cubes. We're going to tell you a number, a teen number from the ones that you already learned. By instance, I'm going to say number 12. So I'm going to ask you to show me how to represent that with the tens frame. And you are going to be using, this case, I'm going to use my cubes. You can do it with beans or any other concrete material. So what do I have to do? The 10, I have to first, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the ones in every single little space or little houses. And let me just move it here. The 2 ones apart from the 10. So I know that I have already 10 here, plus the 2 that I have here. Now I have represent the 12. Okay, those are the 2 things we're going to be doing. A very quick review to be counting. So let's remember 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And it's very important that you pay close attention to the pronunciation, and that way you are not going to get confused with the teens numbers, okay? So we say 16, that is 16, and 60 for the number 60. All right, kiddos, I know it's going to be a lot of fun activities for this week, so I hope that you really enjoyed and that you keep practicing counting up to 100 by tens. Bye-bye, everybody.